let me create a new document. I'm going to work with document size of 7 by 7 inch. You can see it here. So it doesn't matter the orientation because it's going to be in a square form. That's documents page. Now set the column word to CMYK, then create it. So you can see it here. Now I'm going to bring in an image that I want to work with here. So let's go to File, Import, and then select this any image. Select this is the image I want to work to. So I'm going to select it and then bring it in so you can see it. Now I'm going to double click here to create this rectangle, as you can see here, and I want to fill it with color. So I can press F11, the F11 your keyboard, to bring up the fill menu, as you can see, or fill panel. Then make sure that the fountain fill is selected, then click on this area, this color stop, and then click on the color node here and set the color to be this. Just make it to be ash, a lighter version of gray, as you can see here. Then click here to make it appear elliptical, so you can see elliptical fountain fill. After that, just hit OK. So I'm going to work with this. So to remove the outline, I can just click here, the outline that is on this, click here and remove it. So I want to power clip this image here, so I can just right click and drag the image here and leave it, and you see power clip and power clip it. Or can just go to object, power clip inside it. So I've done it. So I want to edit the power clip, just right click and select edit power clip, then I can edit it. Let me adjust it this way. Think it's okay. So now let's begin. This is our background. So now I'm going to create a rectangle shape here that looks like this, and then I'm going to use the shape tool here and make it add a corner radius. As you can see here, you can also choose how you want it to appear from here. You can choose this one here, and then it will appear that way. You can adjust it from there. So that's actually it. So now I want to add color to this. I will press F11 on my keyboard thing, F11, and to bring up this. And I want to create something like a red version, red color, gradient color. So let me set it. So you can select the second one here and then make it red. So you can see what I just created. Let me make this area more darker. So bring it down. Now let me make it appear this way. I think it's okay. So you can see how I moved this thumbnail here, so you can see it. I can move it around, so you can. I just want it to appear this way. After I just hit OK, to be applied on the image. So let me remove the outline also. Now after this, I'm going to create a text. Let's say summer. So I'm going to click here, press enter, and then break it this way. And then I'm going to go to text, change casing and make it uppercase, then increase the size. I can change the font, so I can select, I want to work with this font. So no, let me select a font that makes sense. Okay, let me work with this font. So I'm going to bring this here and make it bigger. So I'm going to use this to create a knockout effect on this shape here, on this red shape. So select this text and hold shift on your keyboard, hold shift and select the second one, which is that red shape. And then after that, come here. Do you see this area? I want to trim it. So you can see, you can merge two of them or trim them. You can see various options, but I want to trim it. So I just click trim, and then I can move the text out, and you can see what I just created. So I can delete this text. I don't need it. I've gotten what I need. So that's this knockout effect is what I needed here. So you can see what we just created here. So after this, I can convert this to bitmap. So let's see on my K. I want to apply some effects here. So after that, I'll just go to bitmap and then go to 3D effect, then emboss. You can see emboss on this. I want to apply some emboss on it. So let me just change the light direction this way. So you can see on the edge, you can see the emboss here. So I don't want it to be too much. So you can see the values that I'm using here. Are you seeing it? Here is 16, that is level 16, and depth is 20, and then the direction is 238, 236, sorry. So and then emboss color is set to original color. You can see it here. So after that, just hit OK. So you can see what we just created here, and it's making sense. So I can select drop shadow here and apply some drop shadow on this if I want to. So you can see what I'm doing here. I can adjust the opacity of the shadow. Let me make it bigger. Then adjust this feather, make it small, so you can see what we just created here, and it is making. Are you seeing it? So I can reduce the opacity a little. So I think it's okay like this. Okay, let me just make it move it this way. Yeah. Now after that, let me create another test. I just type summer camp. Let it be a camp, like it's like a camp